My friend Raymond, Jude, and I are here at Diablo's Cantina at the Mirage, which will soon be the Hard Rock Cafe, but for now it is Diablo's Cantina. Oh my goodness, she got the chicken quesadilla, they gave her rice and beans. Yummy. We got chips and salsa. Salsa's spicy, but it's still good. I got rice and beans, and then the Dorado chicken burrito. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Extra sour cream. Talk about yummy. And what's really cool is when we got our match cards to match our status from MGM, and we got the Unity card, which is going to be the new card for the Hard Rock Cafe. They gave me $50 in food credit, or I can use half of it with slots. She got 100 because she's in the level just above me. This is the time that I'm the peasant. Yummy, yummy. Look how thick her quesadillas are. Oh my God. And this is how my burrito is stuffed. Oh wow. That looks like amazing. Holy crockers, man. Diablo's Cantina. Wow. Lot of great food at a nice price. Oh, I'm really impressed. And the waiter we have is superb. He's like super attentive, right on it. Sweet man. Hello, Diablo. All right, so we have a beautiful cocktail. I think the name is on the jar. Yes. Casamigos Tequila. That's what it sounds like. That's the name of the jar. I think it has a lime in it, and it's got other things in it. Tequila, maybe vodka, I don't know, but it looks yummy. Very delicious. There's a little lime wedge. Very cool. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it is. Yummy. So here is the menu for Diablo's Cantina. This is an amazing restaurant. So much food. And the prices aren't bad. Oh my gosh, how yummy, yummy, yummy. The cocktails, margaritas, even frozen. Delicioso. Yum. So there we go, Diablo's Cantina, where we just had an awesome dinner, kind of lunch, kind of dinner. Isn't that cute? Look at the mural on the wall. Dino de los Muertos. Love it. Love it. Diablo's Cantina, where they have a table set just for the dead, like we do at Samhain. Very cute, love it. Thank you guys for an excellent meal. You guys are amazing.